Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to fix black and white screen on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step we would need to open settings by swiping up and clicking on this settings icon. After this, scroll through the tabs until you will see a tab named accessibility. Here it is. Click on it, scroll down and click on visibility enhancements. Scroll down and click on the color correction. And click on the slider to turn it off. If the problem was right here, it will be solved and your screen will become colorful again. But if this did not help, you would need to do a factory settings reset to fix your problem. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.